Almond milk is a versatile and nutritious alternative to dairy milk, and it can be used in a variety of delicious recipes. Here are some creative almond milk recipe ideas. 1. Smoothies. Blend almond milk with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a sweetener of your choice for a refreshing and nutritious smoothie. Try combinations like banana strawberry, mango spinach, or blueberry almond butter. 2. Overnight oats. Use almond milk as the base for your overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and your preferred toppings such as fresh berries, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a tasty breakfast. 3. Chia pudding. Mix almond milk with chia seeds and a sweetener of your choice. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight to form a creamy and satisfying chia pudding. Top with sliced fruits or granola for added texture. 4. Almond milk pancakes. Use almond milk instead of regular milk in your pancake batter. The result will be fluffy and delicious pancakes. Top them with maple syrup, fresh fruit, or a dollop of almond butter. 5. Dairy-free Alfredo sauce. Create a creamy Alfredo sauce by simmering almond milk with garlic, nutritional yeast, and a little flour or cornstarch for thickening. Pour it over pasta or vegetables for a dairy-free Alfredo dish. 6. Almond milk lattes. Make your own coffeehouse-style almond milk latte by frothing almond milk and adding it to your favorite espresso or coffee. Sprinkle with cinnamon or cocoa powder for extra flavor. 7. Vegan hot chocolate. Heat almond milk with cocoa powder and a sweetener of your choice for a cozy and comforting vegan hot chocolate. Top it with vegan marshmallows or a dusting of cocoa powder. 8. Creamy soups. Use almond milk as a base for creamy soups like tomato bisque or butternut squash soup. It adds a rich, nutty flavor and makes the soup dairy-free. 9. Dairy-free ice cream. Create a luscious dairy-free ice cream by blending almond milk with frozen fruits, such as bananas or berries, and sweetening with agave syrup or maple syrup. Freeze the mixture until it reaches a creamy consistency. 10. Almond milk rice pudding. Cook rice with almond milk, cinnamon, and a sweetener of your choice until it becomes thick and creamy. Garnish with chopped almonds and a sprinkle of ground cinnamon. 11. Vegan creamy pasta sauces. Make creamy pasta sauces with almond milk, cashews, nutritional yeast, and herbs. These sauces work well with a variety of pasta types and vegetables. Remember, almond milk can be substituted for dairy milk in most recipes, so don't hesitate to get creative and experiment with your favorite dishes to make them dairy-free and plant-based.